Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Jared Beckwith. I'm a registered EEG technologist, and in today's video, my brother, who's not an EEG technologist, is gonna hook up his own brain recording overnight, and we're gonna analyze his sleep together. So how are we doing it? We're doing it with my Ion EEG board, and we came up with a way to use an SD card. You can stick the SD card right into there. We have just a basic portable battery that works with any phone. Just plug it by USB into the board and it'll start the recording to the SD card, 32 gigabyte SD card, stick it in there. And the next morning you wake up, put the SD card into the computer, and let's check out my brother's recording. He's not an EEG technologist. We had him hook up one wire to FZ, which is usually probably around here, just slightly into the hairline. But just for simplicity's sake and to get a good signal, had him do it as high up on his forehead as he could. And then we also went behind the ears for ground and reference. So with this setup, let's see how it looked overnight. And the night before, you press the start sleep timer button to mark the start time. And then when you wake up and plug in the SD card, you can select the channel that you used. In our case, it's going to be FZ, and then it'll load the study and calculate the sleep stages. And it gives us what is called a hypnogram, which shows us all the different sleep stages. Then when you go to review further, you want to look at the raw EEG data. You can also see it in line with the hypnogram there at the bottom, so you can see where did I arouse, where did I wake up in the middle of the night, and where was I in deep sleep. When it goes all the way down to the bottom, that's the slow wave or the deep sleep. And it's actually pretty cool. This is the new EEG viewer that we've been working on. It's been in the works for a little bit. Whenever you make a new piece of software, it has a whole bunch of bugs and stuff, but I think it's coming out pretty good. I like how you can really go to different moments if you want to see different sleep stages or different parts where you wake up, because I know some people, they're a little restless during the night. They want to figure out, why am I waking up in the middle of the night? So with this EEG sleep recording machine, you can do just that. And in the future, we're going to be able to integrate some video as well, so you can look at the video in sync with the sleep stages and figure out what is going on with your sleep. So it's pretty much a nice personal sleep research kit. So compared to something like an Oura Ring or an Apple Watch, where you put it on your finger or your wrist, it's really just tracking your heartbeat and your movement, and it's kind of just estimating your sleep stages. But with our Ion EEG sleep recording machine, we use electrodes on the brain to record your actual sleep structures, giving us more accurate data. So that was my brother Christopher's EEG brain recording overnight. We were able to automatically stage his sleep, and it was pretty cool, guys. So we've been working on this for a long time together, me, my brother, and dad, and it's finally getting to a point where it's kind of like a real product. So if you want to do your own sleep research, you can get a machine at ioneeg.com, and I can personally help you guys set it up. If you need help troubleshooting as well, we don't outsource our support to some random country. You get me, Jared Beckwith, the person who created the machine and the software with my family. So yeah, guys, here to help out if you want to do your own brain recordings. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it, and I'll see you all on the next video.